Hi lovies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Life with B. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, enjoy the video. Okay, so let's just go ahead. We're gonna do stick on strides. I'm gonna introduce you guys to the equipment. So this time we're gonna use these beautiful nail tips, rods, and then the 100 to 180 grit file, washable, hand wash, of course, because I still don't have alcohol. We are then going to use our imagination. So we're going to use this manicure set from Pep. Well, I bought mine from Pep. We're going to use our imagination. Excuse me, because there's a specific tool that I want to use. You'd know if you watched the first video. Yeah. The new super glue, this is not super glue. I don't know what glue is this, but I went looking for super glue. They offered me this one. I've used this glue before. I was happy with it. It lasts longer. Another friend of mine gave me a tip. She does her own stick-on nails. She suggested Ghost Bond glue. Is it Ghost Bond? Yes, but it's the clear Ghost Bond glue. It's watery. They last longer as well. So she says, of course. So what we are then going to start by doing is prepping. That's the most important first step of everything, just so the nails can last longer. Okay. I got bored of the color. I removed it. So yeah. Filing off the nails, they look like this. So we are then going to go ahead and take this tool. With this tool, I'm then going to try and just clean some excess glue from the previous nail sets to remove them because I don't have a cuticle pusher. Long story. But long story short, we're using our imagination. Don't know what tool is this. I still don't know. Yeah. So the cuticles are now pushed back and we're good to go. So we are then going to go ahead and wash our hands because we don't have alcohol. So I'm done washing my hands. I already dried them. Remember, when you dry your hands, you guys, you must dab onto the paper towel. That's one thing I forgot. So let's go. Let me check if these ones have numbers. Remember, the focal thing is the bigger the number, the smaller the nail, and the smaller the number, the bigger the nail. So remember, these are square shapes, right? So I always go for my normal size, like the size 1. Oh my god, don't tell me these don't have sizes. Okay, this is tricky, hey? So these ones don't have numbers. That does occur a lot. It does. Yeah, so what we're then gonna do, I'm just gonna try and fit them on all of them. And then, yeah, I'm going to take you guys with me, okay? So what I'll do is, because there's no sizes, this one looks big enough. So I'm going to put it on top. Doesn't belong there. Okay, so guess we found a match, you know? So I'm going to take those. These are going to fit on my thumbs because I took them from here, from this hole. These normally carry 1s and 0s. So, yeah. So I'm going to go ahead. Under the cuticle skin, best friends on the sides, best friends on the sides. Yay? Yay. Do that. That's my left. This is my right. Under the cuticle skin, best friends on the right, best friends on the left. Yeah? Great. So we're going to go for these little fingers. These are normally a 5. So I'm going to go for a 5. So these are going to be 5s. They go together. They're best friends because they don't have numbers. So we're gonna go ahead under the cuticle skin, best friends on the sides, best friends on the sides. Left, This is the arch side. This is the arch side, okay? This is where the nail goes. This is where the design is of the square, okay? So under the cuticle skin, best friends on the sides, best friends on the sides, okay? Okay, this is the glue. I opened it. Woo, sana. So it closes like this. So after it opened, you turn the lid and you go, okay, whatever. So we're gonna start with the thumbs as per usual. We are then gonna put on the thingy, not too much. Put on the nail. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. Stuck on. Super glue. I think I'm not gonna cut these. These look gorgeous. Oh god. I'm just gonna file off this. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna do this other side. All the nails are stuck on. Oh, these are gorgeous. Actually, I don't want to add any design. That wasn't the aim. So now I'm gonna add a design because of this and this. So I think I'm just gonna keep it simple. I don't want to add these. I think I'm just gonna add one of the names. So let's try that. Just to, yeah, wait. But I'm gonna have to file my nails off first. So we're just gonna use these. I don't know which ones I'm gonna use, so we're just gonna stick these on. But first, before we do that, I'm gonna have to file these down, and then yeah. So what I want to do is I'm gonna file them like this, just so they keep the shape. Oops. I'm gonna file them like this, just so they keep the shape. I don't want to file them off too much and take off the shape originally, because I like it. These are a small cut square make. I don't know why, but this allows me, the way I'm filing them allows me to see what exactly is going on with my nail, then for me to like file it all off, you know. Okay, there we go. Keep it straight, you know. Yebo. Zong pan. I'm gonna put these on. I'm gonna do these off camera. I'm gonna use these tweezers because the other ones, yeah, I've been applying my band lashes and they look pretty used. So I'm gonna use these ones to apply these. And then I'm gonna come back and show you. Okay, all the designs are stuck on. Basically, you just pinch these over like this to be able to take out whatever you want to take out. Use tweezers, paste them on. It's not that difficult, trust me. So I went for Wake Up. I don't know if y'all can see it. I don't know. Wake Up. Then I went for Happiness, because child, I'm in my happy girl era. I chose Lady and Happiness because I am a damn happy lady. Trust me, these are gonna set in and you're definitely gonna love them. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. I'm literally all done. This was quick and fast. Literally took me like what, 20 minutes? Less than that if possible. I'm not gonna add these, it's gonna be boring. I want to keep the natural shape, the natural design, and this one color, keep it simple. Maybe I might trim them during the week if they get a bit old and they decay and whatnot. So yeah, bye. Congrats, you've reached the end. Thank you. Please subscribe.